Hello, I'm Marinda, Botha, a South African voiceover artist and native speaker of Afrikaans. I've been a professional voiceover artist for 13 years, and I used to live in the United Kingdom for 8 of those years. I'm now again based in my native South Africa, where I work from my home recording studio. Right, this video is for those of you who are considering voiceovers as a career, and perhaps you're not quite sure if it is the right career option for you. So I will briefly discuss what is involved in becoming a professional voiceover artist and what personality traits are best suited for this industry. Right, the first thing you need is acting skills. That's right, you are acting when you're standing behind this microphone. Even if you are voicing a corporate script like a bank telephone message service, you are still pretending, playing at, being someone else, giving information or telling a story to one other person who is listening to you. So, you need to be prepared to get some actor training from a local college or theatre. Having a beautiful voice is not enough. It's not even a prerequisite. You must be able to tell a story and move your audience emotionally with your voice. Next, you need to learn some technical skills like microphone technique, basic editing skills, how to dissect and mark your script. Learn the industry rates. You must know what you can charge. You cannot undercut the industry or sell yourself short. Know that it's a constant process of improvement, and you must enjoy the process. It should be fun, because it should become your passion. It should be the thing that you really want to do. Next, you need patience. It's not going to happen overnight. It could take years to build the required skills and contacts you need. Thus, if you are serious about becoming a professional voiceover artist, take the time to learn the basic skills, get to know the industry, and build solid relationships with customers and peers. Know that you are entering a community of voiceover professionals who care about the industry and their craft. And know that there is work out there, national and international, if you are prepared to work hard for it. And if you have a niche, like you have a foreign accent or you speak a different language, use it. It could become your unique selling point. Right. I hope this gives you a little bit of an indication as to what is involved in becoming a professional voiceover artist. If this is still a career option you would like to pursue, I wish you well. It's a great industry to be in. I'm Marinda Botha from South Africa. Thank you for watching.